Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LDSR. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where this red line annotation here is coming from, and that segues perfectly into the first update that needs to be made, and that update revolves around a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So as far as this level here, last time I did the video, right up around 0055 was an area of resistance, but now that the price is above it, ideally speaking, going forward, you'd like to see this area act as support, and so far so good. You can see this afternoon on a couple different occasions here, the bears try to press down through it, and while the price did very quickly get below it, that never lasted very long, and so far so good. 005455, whatever you want to call it, is doing a good job of holding strong, but that's definitely the ideal level. So don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below there, the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But taking a step back and looking at things from a much bigger perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view in terms of, gauging the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the price movement, the bulls are in full health, full strength, however you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. Key level of resistance right up there at, what is that, 006. So on two separate occasions, both during the first 30 minutes of the day right there, and then the final 30 minutes of the day right there. Bulls try to break up through there, but couldn't quite do it. So 006, public enemy number 1 next week. All in all, though, the price just needs to keep on doing what it's been doing in terms of building those higher bases, and everything else will continue to take care of itself. So nice week, nice close of the week today, so we'll see what next week brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.